SourcinBox for dropshipping honest review. Watch before using. If you're a dropshipper looking to streamline your order fulfillment and sourcing process, SourcinBox claims to be the all-in-one solution you need. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's get straight into it. SourcinBox is a fulfillment app specifically designed for dropshippers to help you manage product sourcing, automate order processing, and handle inventory directly from Chinese suppliers without needing to rely on AliExpress. The platform offers features like product sourcing from multiple suppliers, automated bulk order fulfillment, inventory management, and even custom branding options like packaging and private labeling. Essentially, it aims to give dropshippers more control over their logistics without having to manually place orders one by one. The interface is pretty straightforward. You can easily import products into your store, set competitive pricing, and SourcinBox will take care of the rest, from order processing to shipping. One key advantage is that they offer faster shipping options compared to typical AliExpress suppliers, which can drastically reduce delivery times for your customers, especially if you're targeting markets in the US or Europe. They also provide real-time inventory updates, so you're never in a situation where you sell an item that's out of stock. Now, who is this app really for? SourcinBox is perfect for intermediate to advanced dropshippers who are already generating consistent sales and want to scale their stores by optimizing fulfillment. If you're still in the testing phase or only making a few sales a week, this might not be necessary for you just yet. It's most beneficial for those looking to cut down on fulfillment headaches and focus more on marketing and scaling. But let's talk about the downsides. First, SourcinBox primarily works with Chinese suppliers, which means product sourcing is limited to what they offer. If you're looking to work with US or EU-based suppliers for faster local shipping, this might not be the best fit. Additionally, while the app itself is free to use, you still have to pay for product costs and shipping fees through SourcinBox, which can sometimes be higher than what you'd find on AliExpress. So, is SourcinBox worth it? Yes. If your goal is to streamline your fulfillment process, offer faster shipping than AliExpress, and scale your store efficiently. It's a great solution for serious dropshippers looking to professionalize their operations. But if you're just starting out or need suppliers outside of China, you may want to explore other options. Make sure it aligns with your business needs before diving in.